The other day I heard someone speak in English online, and at first I was a little bit confused. He was talking about Taylor Swift, and he said that Taylor Swift is, with difference, the best performer in the world. At the beginning I didn't really know what he meant until I realized that that was a direct translation from Spanish. So what he really meant was that Taylor Swift es, con diferencia, la mejor artista del mundo. So when you really want to emphasize something and you want to make that person or that thing stand out a lot, then you use the expression in English, by far. So the right sentence should have been, Taylor Swift is by far the best performer in the world. The good thing with by far that it can be used for positive or even negative adjectives. So you can say something like, well, these sunglasses are by far the most expensive pair that I've ever owned. Or you can say, this pen is by far the worst I've ever bought. So remember to use by far right in front of the superlative to make a difference and to give it a touch of emphasis. Follow for more tips.